Here's your market recap for the week of August 11th through 15th, 2025. A week that started with caution but ended with celebration. Monday, August 11th saw U.S. major indices slip. The S&P 500 fell about 0.3% to approximately 6,373. The Dow dropped 0.5% to 43,975, and the Nasdaq declined 0.3% to 21,385. Investors positioned warily ahead of July's inflation data. But Tuesday, August 12th changed everything. July's consumer price index came in lower than expected at 2.7% year-over-year. Markets surged. The S&P 500 climbed 1.1% to a record closing high of 6,445.76. The Nasdaq rose 1.4% to also hit record levels, while the Dow gained 1.1%, nearing its first new high since December. The catalyst? Optimism for Fed rate cuts as inflation showed signs of cooling. Wednesday saw continued record closes across all major indices. The bullish momentum was undeniable as markets built on Tuesday's gains. Thursday brought a twist. The Producer Price Index surged 0.9% monthly, well above the 0.2% forecast. With an annual gain of 3.3%, the largest rise since February, this dampened some enthusiasm. Yet remarkably, the S&P 500 still secured its third consecutive record close. Friday capped an incredible week. The S&P 500 reached an all-time closing high of 6,468.54 on August 14th. The Nasdaq hit an all-time high closing of 21,713.14 on August 13th. Even globally, the FTSE 100 climbed to a record closing of 9,177.24, showing worldwide optimism. Overall, U.S. equities registered solid gains fueled by encouraging inflation signals, though tempered by elevated wholesale inflation. Fed rate cut optimism surged early in the week but met cautious skepticism later. Multiple record highs across indexes highlighted the bullish sentiment that defined this remarkable week. From Monday's cautious decline to Friday's record peaks, August 11th through 15th proved that markets can turn on a dime. That's your market recap. Subscribe for more weekly market analysis and stay informed on the latest financial developments.